What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw Albert Einstein. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, and bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Now on the top left side of each eye, draw a small circle coming in toward the center and then back out for a highlight. And then I'll switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the eyes. We want to go around those highlights. Now we move to the center and draw the bottom edge of the nose. Starting on the left, we curve this down and up, almost like a half circle. Go up towards the top, add a short curve for the bridge of the nose. Now I want to tuck the mustache in underneath the nose. On the left side, we're going to step down, bend this out, and then down. Then line that up on the right side. Let's add the bristles of the mustache. Starting on the left, round this out and pull this up. And I want to add two more curves on either side going across. Let's add a fold underneath the eyes. On the left, come down and out. Now I'm going to move up and draw the side of the head. From the left eye, we're going to go out, come down. I'm just going to pull this in towards the bottom of the mustache, go across, and then bend that up towards the right. Let's add the ears. Going back to the left, curve up, down, and then in. Let's add a fold across the top of the ear. We're going to bend this up and then out. Now go back to the inside and add a hook. Let's work our way up across the hairline. Starting on the left side, bend this in and then up. And we'll pull this up and then down towards the center point. Now we're going to give our character some thick eyebrows. Starting on the left side, we're going to bend this up and then in, and line it up on the right side. Let's round out the inside of the eyebrows. Go to the outside and do the same thing. And we'll close off the top with a curve. Now I want to surround the face with the hair. Let's start underneath the ears, and bend this out and then in. Now let's create an overlap. We're going to step back out, come down, and then up underneath the head. Now we're going to continue up along the side of the head. Let's start from the ear. We're going to bend this out, up, and then in. Let's add another layer. Stepping back, going around, and then in. Let's add a point on the end, bend this out and then up with a short curve. Go back to the left side, we're going to bend this in and up, around at the top, and then pull that down in the center of our page. I'm just going to mirror this over on the right side. Let's add some texture to the hair, starting from the center, bend this out and then up. Do the same thing on the right. Step out, draw another one going out. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the coat. We're going to start on the left side, just underneath the head. We're going to bend the body, going out, and then bend that down toward the bottom. Line this up on the right, going out, and then down toward the same height. Let's close off the bottom with a curve. And then we'll go back up to the top and draw on the collar. We're going to start right in the middle with a point. Angle this up and out toward the left and right side. Let's go back to that center point and draw a straight line coming all the way down. Let's add the top half of the collar. Start with a straight line going across the sides, then go up and then in underneath the head. Let's go back in, angle the bottom half, coming down and out, and then come down and then in. Let's add the collar from the center, come down and out, and we'll draw the knot of the tie. Come down and in, flatten this off, and then from the bottom corners, angle this down and out in behind the jacket. Now over on the right side, let's add a pocket with a straight line. Go back over towards the left, draw a half oval, coming down and then up. Now I want to tuck the arms in behind the body. So underneath the head, we're going to step out, bend the arm going out, and then down towards the elbow. Do the same thing on the right. Round up the elbow, and then bend this in towards the side of the body. Now we're going to move up and add a fold across the top of the arms. Now we're going to draw the legs tucked in underneath the coat. Let's start right in the middle with a straight line to separate the legs, and we'll curve the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side, coming down and up, go back to the center, and do the same thing on the right. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to draw the top of the foot. We're going to go up, and then bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and we'll just curl that back up towards the inside of the legs. Now underneath the coat, we're going to step in, angle the leg coming down and out on top of the feet, and then we'll add a thick sole across the bottom. So we want to take this curve, step up and trace that across on both sides. Let's finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color. There's our drawing of Albert Einstein. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and remember, every time you put pen to paper, you're building confidence and creativity. I want to thank you for drawing with me today. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.